The concept of a paperless office has been around for 50 years, but has never been truly accomplished. Office workers are confronted with a variety of different documents, like catalogs and magazines, notarized contracts, stapled documents, and paper stored in folders. To get a step closer to the paperless office, Image Access developed the BookTEK 4v2 Office, the most versatile and easy-to-use scanner ever. Its small footprint and elegant design fit perfectly into every office environment. Documents can be scanned and distributed directly from a folder without ever taking them out, which saves time and avoids misfiling. The inside of the folder is covered with black cardboard, and the BookTEK Office scans and separates the pages perfectly. Copying with the BookTEK Office is much faster than with any copier, whether it's only 1 page or 100 pages. Import and export customs documentation is a real challenge for normal black and white copiers. Many of the forms are colorful, carry stamps, and may be an odd size. Sometimes there's even information on 3-dimensional objects, like the serial number on these security seals, which needs to be stored and distributed to other departments. The BookTEK 4 Office is the first scanner which scans books or catalogs either flat or in their natural reading position. The book cradle opens the catalog no further than required for reading. The laser-assisted measurement of the surface properties of the book is followed by a fast scan with high-quality controlled lights. Scan documents up to A2 in full color at 400 dpi resolution in only a few seconds with the BookTEK 4 Office, preserving all details of the original. Fingers are removed from the image before it is automatically cropped and stored in multiple PDFs or other formats. Once a job is completed, it can be stored on one of the 2 USB ports, sent via email, to an FTP site, an SMB share, and if necessary, even to a printer. Scan to Pad, the latest invention by Image Access, is essentially a paperless copy-to-go function. Conveniently place your mobile device over the BookTEK's touchscreen and start copying directly to your pad. Once your job is done, store it locally or send it to iBook or any other cloud storage application. The BookTEK Office is the only scanner which comes with a complete workflow system built in. Up to 1,000 individual users can be configured on the BookTEK, and identification of each user is conveniently done using the fingerprint reader or a conventional login. Each user can specify whether he receives copies as emails, through an SMB share, FTP site, or even on a printer. The BookTEK 4v2 Office is a fast, high-quality office scanner with integrated workflow, built to last for millions of scans with little maintenance requirements. Exactly what you would expect from a quality product made in Germany by Image Access.